Sony have released firmware 2.01 for Sony Burano, and with this firmware update comes a lot of new features. First of all, you have got new recording formats like full frame crop 3.8 16:9 up to 120 frames per second. Then you have two new Super 35 recording formats. One of them is anamorphic, which is 4.3K 4:3 aspect ratio, and it's gonna give you 60 frames per second. And then the other one is 1920 by 1080p in Super 35 sensor mode, and this is gonna give you 240 frames per second. But with this comes another thing, that if you go on 240 frames per second, you will not be able to have the video out from HDMI or HDMI cable. Another exciting feature is 1.8 squeeze factor on anamorphic lenses, because there are many lenses which are having 1.8 squeeze factor. With firmware update 2.01, you will have 1.8 squeeze factor, so you can use your quick anamorphic full frame lenses. And there are many other exciting things as well, like you have new increments in SNQ, you have image stabilization, and you have additional exposure tools like high and low key. So in this video, I'm going to show you how really you can firmware update your Sony Burano from 1.1 to 2.01. So first of all, you'll have to go to internet and search for Sony Burano firmware update 2.01, and I will put the link in description as well in case you can't find it. Once you go on this page, you will have something like this. You click on the first link and then click on download. Scroll down all the way and click on this download. After this, your download will start and you will be having it in your downloads folder. Now go to your camera and remove if you are having SDI or HDMI cable connected to it, and then remove any of the cards in card slot. After that, take an SD card, and it's better if it's from Sony, and put that card in the SD card slot, which is gonna be right under the back button, and click on it. There you go. Now after that, what you're gonna do is you need to go to menus, go to timecode and media, and in there go to the format media, and here you need to click on utility SD and full format. When you will full format it, you'll have to execute, and then you will have a proper folder structure on your SD card. Now put your SD card in the laptop, go to the downloaded file and go on body data file and copy that, and now open your SD card, and on the root folder structure just paste this item, and now just eject the card. After that, put the card back in your camera and go to the menus, and in menus scroll down all the way till you see maintenance. When you see maintenance, click on it and then go to the version, and in version go to the version up here and click on it and execute one more time. It's gonna ask you for AC adapter, and then it's gonna tell you it's gonna take approximately 20 minutes. So click on execute, and then it will take like 20 to 30 seconds before the screen goes off and the camera reboots. And after that, your record button will start blinking. It's having 5 stages of firmware update. So it's gonna go like, first of all, when it will start, it will do one blink and close, one blink and close. It means that it's on the first stage, and then it will do 1 and 2, and then it will do 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and then 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 5, and these 5 stages will happen in 20 minutes. And then after that, what's gonna happen is it's gonna turn off the camera, turn on, and then your camera is gonna be alive as you turn on the camera. And then after that, you can go to the settings, you can see whatever the new things are, like the new recording formats and the squeeze factor and everything, and enjoy. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I have made many other helpful videos for Sony camera users as well, in case you wanna see them. I'll put the link of the playlist, you can see those, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.